Okay, dear students, in this lecture we will discuss what is electric dipole and what is electric dipole moment. After that, derivation were there. Okay. First of all, see what is electric dipole. What is electric dipole? Electric dipole consists of electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a distance is called your electric dipole. See here, what I told, it is the equal and opposite charges. Equal and opposite charges separated by a distance is called your electric dipole. For example, HCl. H is a plus ion and Cl is a minus ion. These two are separated by a certain distance. Next, let us take CO. C is a plus, O is a negative, separated by some distance. Similarly, example number 3, H2O you can take. So many examples were there. Okay. What is electric dipole? Electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a distance is called your electric dipole. Then what is electric dipole moment? Next is electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment, I am writing directly an equation. This is P is equal to 2A into Q. Okay, how to define this? The electric dipole moment is the product of charges and separated by a distance. You can write it is also like this, Q into 2A. Electric dipole means what? It is the product of charges and separated by a distance. See here, I am taking, it is your plus Q, it will be your minus Q. So these two are separated by a distance. I am taking as 2A, not at all R. Why? Because at exactly midpoint, the electric field must be 0. Is or not? Electric field must be 0. So separated by a distance, it will be A. Again, it will be your A. That's why we are taking it is 2A. Electric dipole moment means what? It is the product of charge and separated by a distance is called your electric dipole moment. Then there is a one derivation based on this electric dipole moment. Expression for, very important it is. Next is expression for electric field. Expression for electric field at a point on the axis of dipole. Point on the axis of dipole. On the axis of dipole. See here. So I am taking here dipole moment. It is your minus Q. Here I am taking your plus Q. These two are the charges. Separated by a total distance will be 2A. At exactly midpoint, the electric field must be 0. Separated by this is A. This will be your A. I want to calculate electric field at this point. Let us consider at this point I want to calculate the electric field. Okay. See here, it is your negative charge. It is your assumption charge, point charge Q. If I kept over there, then it is a negative charge. Here is a positive charge. Positive charge means these two are attract each other. Shall I take it is even? Similarly, see here, it is your plus Q. It is also assumption charge is also plus Q. Then E2 will be along this direction. It will be along this direction. Okay, see here. So separation between this P and midpoint is taken as R. Okay. See here, one more thing. So the line of E2 is greater than the line of E1. Why? Because as I told, as the distance is increases, electric field is decreases. As comparatively distance between these two, see here, Q, this point, distance is more. Distance is more means electric field must be small. Similarly, plus Q, here is a plus Q assumption charge. Distance is very less. Then electric field will be maximum. That's why I took the length is, the electric field is maximum at E2. Then find out this. Then E1 is equal to, we know that KQ, for this charge I am calculating here. KQ divided by R square. How to calculate R square? At this point I want to calculate the electric field. What is the distance from this point to this point? From this point to this point, it will be A. Again, this point to this point, it will be R. R plus A. Shall I write R plus A? It will be R plus A whole square. KQ by R square. Then where E1 I had calculated. Then E2 is equal to, for this point charge, from this point to this point, total distance is R. I want only this distance, R minus A. It will be KQ divided by R minus A, its whole square. Let us call equation number 1. It will be equation number 2. So E at this point will be E2 minus E1. Okay, so this E is equal to, how to write this? E2 minus E1. E2 minus E1. Put the value of E1 and E2. Put the value of E1 and E2. Just put it. It will be, this E is equal to E2. KQ divided by R minus A its square minus KQ divided by R plus A its square. What are the commons here? KQ is common. This E is equal to, KQ is common. 1 divided by R minus A whole square minus KQ divided by R plus A whole square. Okay. Then this E is equal to KQ kept as it is. Just take it side. R plus A whole square, if it goes here, minus R minus A whole square whole divided by product of these two, R minus A whole square, R minus A whole square into R plus A whole square. Okay. Then A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square. Apply this. This E is equal to KQ R square plus A square plus 2 times of R into A minus, shall I write directly? A square, again plus means it will be minus. A square minus into minus, it will be plus 2 times of R into A whole divided by A plus B. A minus B, A plus B. It will be A square minus B square. Okay, write this. R square minus A square, it's a whole square. Here, A minus B, A plus B. We can write that A square minus B square. Square is there. Keep as square there. R square, A square, R square, A square. Get cancels. This E is equal to KQ into 2RA plus 2RA. It will be 4 times of RA divided by R square minus A square. It's a square. Then this E is equal to KQ into, shall I write it is to be like this? K into 2 A into Q into 2R whole divided by R square minus A square, it's a square. So this E is equal to, what is the value of this? Q into 2A. It will be what? P, electric dipole moment. So E is equal to K into P into 2R divided by R square minus A square its square. हो गया आपकी काम. 2 times K will be 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Shall I write it is 2PR divided by R square minus A square its square is the final expression. Okay, na? It is the final expression for 5 marks. He may ask for 5 marks. Okay. Here need the expression for electric field at a point on the axis of dipole. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ. ಅವರ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ 2a ಇರುತ್ತೆ. at exactly mid point electric field must be 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ electric field must be 0 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a separated by distance ತಗೋತೀವಾ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. at this point ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ at this point ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. E2 E1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ at this point ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಯಾವುದು? E2 ನ ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ E1 ಕಳೆದು ಬಿಡಿ. E2 ಮೈನಸ್ E1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. E1 E2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. KQ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 1 divided by R square minus A square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ E is equal to KQ R square is A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square. Put these values. Finally we are getting 4 times of RA divided by R square minus A square its square. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು? ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ P is equal to Q into 2A ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, P 2R 2PR divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square is the final expression. Okay na? Then next expression for electric field ಇದೆ same. Next expression for electric field at a point on the equatorial line. The point on the equatorial line of the dipole. It is also for 5 marks. In state government, Karnataka state government ಒಳಗಡೆ 5 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಏನಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು? ಇಕ್ವೇಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಅಂದಾನೆ. ಇಕ್ವೇಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಓಕೆನಾ? A, it will be B, here minus Q, here will be your plus Q. Sorry, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus Q ಇಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus Q. Okay na? At this point P I am going to take. At this point, equatorial line, at this point I want to calculate the electric field. Okay na? So how to calculate this electric field? This electric dipole separated by distance A and A. Total, this is your dipole A and A. Midpoint electric field must be 0. Assumption charge plus Q, it is also plus Q. Then electric field E1 will be along this direction. It is your plus, it is your negative. Then E2 will be along this direction. Is or not? So it is also called bisectorial line. Bisectorial means, see here, at this point two components will be there. One is along this direction, E1 cos theta, perpendicular to this, it is E1 sin theta. Similarly for E2, it will be E2 cos theta, perpendicular to this, along this direction, E2 sin theta. These two electric fields are same, that's why these two forces are cancel each other. Okay na? Then how to calculate electric field at this point? For E1, this distance will be R. This distance is taken as R. Find for E1, how to calculate E1 is equal to for this KQ divided by distance. This distance we don't know. Okay, I am taking as it is AP square. How to find? If there is a triangle here, it is to be a triangle. This part here. This part I am taking here. Okay, we know this value and this value. This value can be calculated by what? R square plus A square. Okay, na? This part. So this E1 is equal to KQ divided by R square plus A square. Okay, na? Total this distance here. Once again I am solving this. So it will be R, it will be your A. Let us, it is A, it will be your P. AP square I want, is or not? How to calculate AP square? AP square is equal to R square plus A square. It will be R square plus A square. Then E1 we have calculated. Then find for E2. Then this E2 is equal to, for this, again it will be KQ divided by this distance, BP square. It is P, it will be your BP square. Same, let us consider this is a triangle. If this distance I want, square of this and square of this. So this E2 is also KQ divided by R square plus A square. Let us call this is equation number 1. It will be your equation number 2. Okay. But E at this point I want to calculate means one more component is there. What is that component? If E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. Don't write here E1 plus E2. Instead of writing E1 plus E2, just write that it will be E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. It is a very important here. See here, is E1 is equal to E2. What is the value of E1? KQ by R square plus A square. See E2, again KQ by R square plus A square. Shall I write E1 is equal to E2? E1 is equal to, in this case I am writing E1 is equal to E2. So this E is equal to 2 times of E1 cos theta. Okay na? So this E is equal to 2 into E1. It will be KQ divided by R square plus A square into, how to write cos theta? If it is your theta, base divided by hypotenuse. So base will be, it is your take O. Base will be OB, O to B. It will be your base divided by hypotenuse. It will be BP, not a square, BP itself. Okay. So this E is equal to 2 into KQ divided by R square plus A square into OB. Distance of OB will be A. Then distance of BP we know. What is the distance of BP? BP square we know. What is that? R square plus A square. If I want only BP, then it will be root na. It will be R square plus A square. Okay. Then this E is equal to, I am writing it is to be like this, 2Q into A into K divided by R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2 I am writing, because see here, A square into root A square into root A can be written as what? It will be 1 divided by 2. Okay. So A square into A to the power M into a to the power n. It will be a to the power m plus n. So write this, a to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2, 2 2s are a square. It will be 3 by 2, na? Okay, 1 by 2. It will be a to the power 3 by 2. So like this only we are going to solve. Then a into a to the power 1 by 2. So a to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 2. It will be a to the power 3 by 2. Like this only we are going to solve. So this E is equal to, it will be P, K, value of K, put the value of K, 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. This whole term is taken as P into R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2 is the final expression on the equatorial line. Okay, na? Then next expression. Next expression is torque. Next expression for torque on a dipole. Next, torque on a dipole. Torque on a dipole in a uniform electric field. In a uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. See here, expression, it is also expression, derivation. How to write this? See here, it is your electric field. Electric field is E. Okay. So inside the electric field, I am keeping a dipole. Okay. I am keeping a dipole. It is your minus Q. Here I am keeping a positive Q. So at exactly middle means it will be A. It will be your A. Total distance will be 2A. Of course, I agreed for this. See here, if I kept at the uniform electric field, it is your the force acting on this F is equal to E into Q or else Q into E. Significance of electric field I had explained. Okay. So see here, it will be the force acting on this will be Q into E or else E into Q. If it is negative charge, again what happens? Here is also your Q into E. So then what happens? Like this, see here, electric force will be along this direction. When it turns, this force will be along this direction. Then what happens? So these two are starts to rotate like this. Whenever the body starts to rotate, definitely it gets a torque. Is or not? So definitely it gets a torque. So we know that the torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. What is force here? This tau is equal to force is equal to what is that? Q into E. It will be Q into E. Perpendicular distance. Here it will be your perpendicular distance. It will be your A, B, C. Okay. So this is your perpendicular distance. I want to calculate BC. Perpendicular distance was, it will be your BC. Then how to calculate BC? Okay, na? So see here, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. If it is your theta, opposite side, it will be BC divided by hypotenuse. It will be 2A, na? Is or not? BC divided by opposite side by hypotenuse. It will be 2A. Then what will be 2A? BC is equal to, it will be 2A into sin theta. it will be 2a into sin theta. Then BC we had calculated. Okay, na? BC, let us call this is equation number 1. It will be your equation number 2. Put the equation number 2 in 1. Put the value of BC. So put equation number 2 in 1. Then this tau is equal to QE. Keep as it is. Into BC. 2a sin theta. It will be 2a sin theta. Just make it modify. It will be 2a into q into e sin theta I am writing. What is the value of this? 2a into q. 2a into q is equal to p e sin theta. If I want to remove sin theta means this tau is equal to p cross e. ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ derivation of this chapter. So based on this we are going to solve two problems. Okay, what are the main formulas? First formula on the axial line, it will be 2pr divided by r square plus x square. Okay, then second is E is equal to P divided by, it is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square, it's 3 by 2. Last is PE sin theta. Tau is equal to PE sin theta. Based on this we will solve two problems. Okay, see this question. In an electric dipole, 2 nanocoulomb and minus 2 nanocoulomb are separated by a distance is 0.02 meter. Calculate the dipole moment. First of all, I want to calculate what is dipole moment and also electric field due to a dipole at a point on the axis at a distance of 0.04 meter from the midpoint. Second one, at a point on the equatorial line at a distance of 0.03 meter from the midpoint. See here, first of all 2 into 10 to the power minus 9, again 2 into 10 to the power minus 9. These two are separated by a distance. Total distance here given 2a is equal to, how much is given? It will be 0.02, isn't it? If you take it exactly midpoint, the distance of this will be 0.01, it will be 0.01, but you had given directly to a. Okay, then first of all what I want to calculate? Dipole moment. What is our dipole moment? P is equal to q into 2a. Then this P is equal to 2 into a. What will be 2 into a? 2 into a will be 0.02 into this q into 2a. 2a, it will be both are same. Okay, charges are of same, into 2 into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, then what will be your what is that dipole moment? It will be 0.04 into 10 to the power minus 9. Then this P is equal to, shall I write 4 into 10 to the power minus 11. Okay, 4 into 10 to the centimeter it will be centimeter. Then this we had calculated. Okay, sorry, coulomb per meter, coulomb meter. See here, SI unit of this, it will be Q, coulomb. Okay, distance will be in meter, it will be coulomb meter. Okay, then next I want to calculate what? First one, at a point on the axis at a distance of 0.04. See here, from this point it will be distance is 0.04 from the midpoint. If it is your midpoint, if I want to calculate the electric field at this point, distance is this given 0.04 means what? It will be your R. R is equal to 0.04. Okay, then calculate this. Electric field, what I have told on the axis, what is our formula? This E is equal to 2 times of PR divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square its square. R square minus A square its square. Then this E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught can be written as 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into P we had calculated. 4 into 10 to the power minus 11. R is given. It will be 0.04 whole divided by R square means 0.04 its square. What is A? See here. Total is 2A. It will be your 0.01. Again, it will be your 0.01 its square. So after solving this, so we are getting the answer 1.28 Newton per Coulomb. Solve this by using a calculator. Okay. Then second one we had calculated here. We have to calculate second one. What is that second one? On the equatorial line. So this E is equal to P divided by R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2. Okay. Into K. What is the value of K? This E is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into P. 4 into 10 to the power minus 11 divided by R. Here he had given the distance. This distance we have to take here. It will be 0.03 its square plus A square. It is 0.01 its square whole to the power 3 by 2. So after calculating this, we will get the answer 11.38 Newton per Coulomb is the answer. Okay. See the next question based on torque. Based on torque. See this question. An electric dipole with a dipole moment P is given 4 into 10 to the power 9 Coulomb meter is aligned at 30 degree with the direction of electric field. Electric field E also given. E into 10 to the power 4. 5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb. Calculate the magnitude of torque. I want to calculate what? What are the given this here? Dipole moment P is given. It is 4 into 10 to the power minus 9. As well as E is given. It will be 5 into 10 to the power 4. Then theta is also given. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay. See here. How we had kept in electric field. It will be our electric field. Okay. So minus Q. Here will be our minus plus Q. Torque. QE will be along this direction. Again QE will be along this direction. Okay. This angle is given. Angle is equal to 30 degrees given. So what is the formula for torque? This torque is equal to PE sin theta. Is or not? So this torque is equal to P is given 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 into E is also given 5 into 10 to the power 4 into sin 30 degree. Then this tau is equal to 5 into 4 is 20 into 10 to the power minus 9 plus 5. It will be minus 5 into 1 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. So torque is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton meter. It will be Newton meter. Okay. Newton into meter is the final answer. So in the next class we will discuss what is Gauss law, what are the applications of Gauss law, last charge distribution. ಇದಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.